Hi, I'm Paul Torgerson. It's Friday, December 20th, 2019. Skywalker rises today, and this is a look at the information security news from overnight. From ZDNet, a high-volume hacking campaign that has been dubbed Hornet's Nest is targeting organizations around the world, but focusing on the U.S. and Europe. The initial attack vector is not yet known, but this sucker delivers 3 different information stealers, a backdoor, a crypto miner, and a crypto stealer. Details on all these different nasties in the article. From Bleeping Computer, threat actors are utilizing the ConnectWise control, formerly known as Screen Connect, remote management software to install the Zeppelin ransomware. This is the 3rd article about Zeppelin in the last 2 weeks. Screenshots and details about the takeover procedure in the article. Well, Honda has stepped in it again and left an unsecured database online with 976 million records exposed. 1 million of those are detailed customer records, but Honda says that number is actually only 26,000 because the rest are duplicates. That's a lot of duplicates. Honda confirmed that this was their mistake and not a breach and have taken the database offline. From Bleeping Computer, Malwarebytes has released ADW Cleaner 8.0.1, which, in addition to various improvements, fixes a DLL hijacking vulnerability. That flaw was just disclosed to Malwarebytes last week, and they got the fix out quickly. Well done. And last this week from ZDNet, Frankfurt has become the 4th German entity that shut down its IT network in the past 2 weeks because of an Emotet infection. By shutting down networks, the hope is to avoid something worse like a ransomware from being installed. Unfortunately, Justus Liebig University didn't react quickly enough and ended up with the Ryuk ransomware. They had to have all 38,000 students and faculty queue up with their picture ID to get their passwords reset. In each case, the initial infection was almost certainly from an email spam campaign. As a note, I was considering an article about illegal services where you can stream the Star Wars new movie or TV show, infecting people with malware. But I figured if you're pirating that stuff, you probably deserve the malware anyway. That's all for me this week. Have a great weekend, and until Monday, be safe out there.